Kiss your donkey day.
No, I'm not.
It's kiss your donkey day.
Oh, cow.
How about kiss your cow day? Can it be kiss your cow day?
No.
I thought that car said kiss your dog today.
No.
What did it say?
I can't my girlfriend.
Only your girlfriend? Why can't you kiss my donkey? She's cute. She loves you. Say hey. Stick them lips out. Let me give you smoochies.
No.
Patty'll do it. Watch.
Not bad.
Look, Nick.
Oh, doo-doo.
Look. Mwah. I kissed her on the nose.
Doo-doo. Look.
Ooh. That, you know whose poop that is?
What?
Cow.
Cow poop?
Yeah. You know what it's called? You know what it's called? It's called a cow patty. Cow patty. Kiss her on the nose. Give her
What,
kisses
cow?
on the nose. Give her a kiss.
See that?
She wants a kiss.
Pick me.
She wants a smoochie.
No, not pick me.
How about kissing the cow?
No.
Give them a little
What,
smooch.
cow?
Give her little smoochies.
Here you go.
She's a
Cow.
pretty girl, ain't she? With her shaggy hair.
I get whole hair.
I like her hair
Look,
too.
what's that doing?
What? It's a piece of grass on her face?
Yeah, got her face.
Let me get it off. Her nose is wet. Ooh.
Pull out your pants.
No, then I get my pants dirty.
What?
What you looking at?
Moo cow. Bye, cow.
Bye, cow. You gonna go check on Russell? She loves you.
What, cow? You do, cow.
Meow.
What's that? Well,
That's Russell.
well, clean that poop.
Yeah, Russell needs to clean up that poop.
No. No,
She
cow.
won't eat it.
Ew. Why?
Ew, she won't.
Bye, cow. Bye, don't eat.